Indians have a long history of great scientists and vast scientific knowledge. Ayurveda. Ayurveda is a great medical science based on the balancing of Vata, Kapha, and Pitta dosh, having vast knowledge of plants and other materials having excellent medicinal properties. Surgery. Maharshi Susrut was excellent surgeon who designed various instruments useful for surgery and able to do not only regular surgeries but also surgeries like rhinoplasty and cataract removal. Mathematics. Indian mathematicians have given the world the decimal system, concepts of trigonometry, and most important concept of zero by the great Aryabhatta. Yoga Shastra. Maharshi Patanjali has guided through the Ashtanga Yoga, means eightfold path for the physical, mental, and spiritual growth and well-being of the person. Astronomy. The ancient Indian astronomers like Aryabhatta, Brahmagupta, Varahamihir, Bhaskar have the detailed astronomical knowledge. They are aware of the spherical shape of the earth, rotation of the earth, and the concept of gravity. They explain the lunar and solar eclipses and able to give accurate calculations of planetary positions. Similar to above sciences, Vastu Shastra is also a traditional Vedic science of architecture, means science of planning and constructing the Vastu. Lord Vishwakarma and Mayamuni are the founder of Vastu Shastra. Many great astronomers like Mayamuni, Varahamihir, Raja Bhoj authored the Granthas like Surya Siddhanta, Brihat Samhita, and Samarangan Sutradhara dedicated to Vastu Shastra. Vastu Shastra is much more complicated for common people to understand, so it is explained with the help of Vastu Purush Mandal. Vastu Purush Mandal is based on the directions. 4 main directions: east, west, north, and south, and 4 secondary directions: Ishanya, Agneya, Nairutya, and Vayavya. For the planning of the temple, Shatapada Vastu Purush Mandal is used, means the plan is divided into 100 parts, 10 parts horizontally and 10 parts vertically. For the house, the plan is divided into 81 equal parts and called as Ekashitipada Vastu Purush Mandal. And for the planning of town, the plan is divided into 64 equal parts and called as Chatushashthipada Vastu Purush Mandal. Vastu Purush Mandal have different devatas marked on it. Each devata has its energy zone, giving effects as per the devata's nature. We can categorize these devatas in 3 types: Sattva-guni, Rajoguni, and Tamoguni. For example, Asur zone means Bhrungaraj, Rahu, Pitru, etc. comes under the Tamoguni zones. So occupants of the Vastu get influenced differently by different energy zones. So planning of the house or any other structure is suggested on the basis of Vastu Purush Mandal to harmonize human life with cosmic energies.